Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making mushroom pasta. So let's get started. Let's start off by slicing our mushrooms, and they suggested that we cut them a little thicker than what you normally would. And I'm only going to cut half of these because the other half I'm going to dice. And so we have a dicing bowl here and a whole bowl, a bowl for whole. It's getting there. So we'll just add our thickly sliced mushrooms. We're going to cook these until they're golden brown on a medium heat, so I probably should turn it down. Put a tablespoon of butter in. We want to cook it about 2 more minutes at this point. Okay, so now I want to add some minced garlic, and some fresh parsley. Let this cook for about 30 seconds. Oh yeah, that made a difference in how it smells. Okay, so we'll take these out of the pan, start our sauce. So now we want to put another tablespoon of butter. We're going to add our finely chopped mushrooms. Add some pepper. And some salt. We want to cook these until they release their juice. And then we'll reduce it just a little bit. And then we'll start adding our other. Okay, I think this is what we want. It's reduced a little bit. So we have some heavy whipping cream here. And I want to put in about a cup. Wow. We want to bring this to a boil, and then we'll add our chicken broth and our Parmesan cheese. So we'll bring this to a boil, and then we'll start adding our other ingredients. Here we go. So now we're going to add our chicken broth. We want a gentle boil. We also want to add a couple tablespoons of the pasta water. So I saved some of this back after I made the pasta. Let's put a little bit in there. Alright, now I want to put some grated Parmesan. We want to cook this until it resembles white gravy. It's thickening up really nice. I think we are about done. So I'm going to shut it off, and I'm going to add some pasta. Now that our pasta's in here, we'll put back in our already cooked mushrooms. A little more of the Parmesan. Now we'll make sure everything is coated. And there we have it, a beautiful pasta dish to go with our dinner tonight. Okay, shall we try mine? I will say that's a good dish. I really like that, and I think you will too. Oh my. Well, that was a very wonderful dish. Well, folks, thank you for stopping by. If you could, please hit that like button and ring the bell and subscribe. It really helps us out. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.